Christine Vales. I'm here with my husband Carlos, and we are here to give you an update of our latest adventure. We were just in Costa Rica over the Feast of Purim just this couple of weeks ago in March, and we went there. This is actually our third missions trip to Costa Rica. We went there as students of Charis Bible College back in 2023, and then we graduated and led a team there last year, and just a few weeks ago we led or helped lead another team of students to the same mission, and it was such a blessing. So like I said, we were there for the Feast of Purim for such a time as this. It was just such a blessing, and Carlos is going to share a little bit about some of the things we did there, and of course we have a video of a slideshow of some pictures.
Yeah, so I think one of the things that is amazing is you'll see in the pictures in the video of us what we did there, but it's just getting a group of 40 students together, adults, getting them together and just over time, beginning in the fall, try to get them up there so they can be able to minister. We did street ministry, children's ministry, women's conference. We even had a little men's conference going on.
Yeah.
And, you know, with an ambient temperature of 80 degrees, 100% humidity every day, and basically with the pressure of going 4,000 feet above sea level back down to sea level, the students had a lot locked on in them. But throughout this whole tenure, throughout this whole semester, we've been training them up, not just to, know the word, but also to get up and speak, public speaking. So that was a thrill. And I know it's like a broken record, but I kept repeating this every single time. It's, people read about the miracles, about the healings, people hear about it, but this time, all the students firsthand got to see it and what it looks like. So to me, that was the biggest thing, to see that. And Douglas Rossman down there with Charis Ministry Centers in Costa Rica and his staff have been grateful. And we have worked hand in hand with them now for the past 3 years.
Yeah, such a blessing. Honestly, we never went on a missions trip before until 3 years ago, and then we went back to back 3 years. So it's been a blessing. It was a blessing to be there as a student back in 2023, and then these past 2 years just to come alongside these students and help them and just watch them grow and just assist them. So thank you for just your interest and your support of the ministry that the Lord has given me and my husband, because it's not just dealing with God's calendar, but it's actually going out there and ministering the love of God to people and raising up leaders. So we're blessed. So enjoy the video, and if you're interested in getting in touch with any of the ministries, we'll have the link.